So during the month of February 2022, I earned $1,022.51. Now, during the same month 1 year ago, I earned $351.13. So I've been able to improve almost 3x from the previous year. And if you take a look at the paperback copies that I've sold, 546 compared to the previous year of 147. So obviously, first of all, the main reasons why my income has almost 3x is because I've been able to sell more books. And that's generally because I've increased the quality of my books. I've also focused on really what is in demand, so what my target audience wants, and then also improving ads, which will help show your books to more customers. So just taking a look at the total book royalties for the month, you can see that my best day was the 23rd of February. So I earned $137.49 that day. I had a huge bulk order for a particular calendar that I made. And then my worst day for the month was the 6th of February, earning $17.89. Now, just viewing the marketplaces just to see where most of my sales came from. As usual, it's quite kind of even between the UK and the US, but the UK led with 52.17%, then the US with 47.13%, then France, Spain, and Canada with a lot smaller amounts. Now, just viewing a few of my best books for the month. So the first book is my best-selling logbook, and this grossed me $310. Then the next book is the calendar that I talked about, and this made me $212.94. Then we've got the third book is just kind of a quote coloring book, and this made me $67.32. And the fourth book is actually an activity book, so this has been selling quite well for me. I only released it in December, sold really well in December, and it's continued to make sales. And then the fifth book is a sports coloring book, and this one only earned me $35.17. And those were my best 5 selling books of the month. Now, just taking a look at ads. So we can see in the US, I spent $75.30, which gave me sales of $242.17 with an ACOS of roughly 31.09%. And this gave me a total orders of 27 for the month. So the ACOS is better than the previous month. However, the ads are still slightly unprofitable. And I guess it's down to the demand for certain books just not being there anymore. Some of these ads I have been running from kind of December time, and they are evergreen niches. And I have tried to change quite a few things around within the ads, but the demand just does not seem to be there. So I'm probably not going to go with those ads going forward. Now, taking a look at my ads in the UK, which have been much better recently. So you can see that I spent £98 exactly, which gave me sales of £408.35 with an ACOS of 24% and total orders of 67. Now, here in the UK, usually my ads do go a lot better, as I usually get a lot more impressions, and I just feel the competition is a lot less than the US market. So it is a lot easier to get your ad on the first or second page. And if you're not running ads in the UK, then I'll definitely encourage you to. So I'm now just quickly going to summarize everything so you can see my total income for the month, because I do like to spend on a few other things as well. So at the top, you can see my total income was $1,202.51. My average book royalty for the month is roughly $1.81, a lot lower than the previous month. Again, I am from the UK, so I am subject to 20% VAT, and my subscriptions include Canva, Creativefabrica, and KDP Champ. Then I also spent some money on some freelancers. It was quite busy last month, so I didn't have much time to work on books myself. And again, these involved activity books and coloring book. So then you can see my total expenses came up to $481.23. And then my total income, once I've taken off everything, came up to $541.28. So thank you for watching another income report video. Let me know how the month went for you in the comments. And if you've got any questions, let me know as well.